Pimps, Pimpettes. It's your favorite booty snorkeler. Oh my god, it's Daz! Still no cool intro yet? Gotta work on a cool intro. However, let's get to the business. As you can see, today we are back with episode 2 of Riches Through Stitches. Now, before we get into this box, I just want to go through real quick last episode. Turns out that we found out that the Yeezy Mafia wear isn't really a dud or anything like that. They do actually make the clothes that match the sneakers, so if you want to go check them out, you should. Yeezy Mafia or MafiaSeason.com, whatever the case is. I'll probably bring it up and put it over my mug. You know how I do, how it gets down. And you know, they do sell some cool looking stuff. I'm basically just gonna call it a personal cop. The mystery box isn't resellable or anything like that. Basically, what we got is $200 for the other mystery box, and then we paid $180 shipped for the Supreme hoodie. So we were in the hole $380. So we came back out of that hole and we made about $385-ish, somewhere around there, but then we made about $350 after stock excess taxes and fees and things of that nature. So what did I do? I took that $350, I put it in with a personal investment of $150. Made that $500, and I was going to get 2 pairs of Yeezys, but as we all know, Yeezys were bricks. So we didn't end up copying, obviously. The days went on, things got on, and Soul Supremacy actually announced that he was dropping memberships. He didn't actually announce it, he just announced that he was dropping hype boxes for Black Friday. I went in, there was memberships available, which I've been trying to become a part of this members only website for about 8 months. So that was a big W for me. Then he didn't drop beater boxes, but he dropped hype boxes. We grabbed ourselves a $500 hype box, and let's get into that joint right now. Box opener. All right, boom. Let's have a look in there. That looks like some real nice Lacoste Supreme shorts, I'm almost positive. What are these? Black shorts. Reflective black shorts. They're an extra large. Should we open it? What are they? I don't like putting things back in the bag after I open them. But it's like, are they pants or are they? They're pants. We're gonna go with track pants. It'll come up on the screen. That'll prove if I'm right or wrong. Let's get on to the next project that is up in here. What do we got? We got ourselves another Supreme tee. Oh gosh, I'm really excited. Mike Kelly hiding from India. Extra large as well. This actually looks really cool. It says, "Let's fuck, okay." Oh my gosh. Hello. Hey, this is pretty sweet. Now, I don't bring up prices or anything. What I think I'm gonna do is actually after every video, in the next video, we'll do a quick recap of what happened in the beginning, how much money we made, what we invested, what we came back at. This is really, that is sweet, guys, so sweet. And all this stuff, like, this doesn't look like really used, maybe a little old and whatnot, but it's got the tags on it. Like, those are dead stock. Put that up in there. We got one item left in here. This one is out of the box. It's another Lacoste Supreme. Look at that, a salamander or coral color. I love coral. J. Preme Lacoste crew neck pink. It's actually a pink. Nice. So we got what? 4 items. I don't know what any of the prices are. That's a pretty cool mystery box. Honestly, like, I don't know what to expect. I hope that we did good. We'll find out in the next video, obviously. Before we go, I just want to say, if you guys aren't subscribed to anything, make sure, you know, go over there lightly and, you know, touch, don't smash it. You know, I'm not a fan of smashing, you know, caress it a little bit. Boom. And then hit the notification things right next to it. I do other things on this channel as well, besides just boxings and openings. We're actually coming out with some music videos, things. It's a whole movement after that. So make sure you do that. Like this video as well. Go back to the video before that, like that, and then the next video, you have to come back and find out if we made any money. Like, subscribe, share, like, without further ado. I hate that I say without further ado. All right, peace out, y'all. Time to go snorkel some booty.